reconciliation, reparation, revive a people, restore a culture, renew a mind, resurrect a soul. Written by Rafa Sealse, narrated by Rafa Sealse, copyrighted and completed in 2019.
After all this time, I've been pushing the wrong way, but I'm turning to you today. Help us repair our minds, 'cause after all this time,
Reparations, preparations, manifestations of a new world. Lost tribes took the lie, took the bribe, living in the underworld. Foreign land, running in quicksand. Awakened, sleeping giant, royal priesthood, chosen generation, living in a dreamland. Captured from Negro land, confused about your heartland, believing false statements from the newsstand. Assassins in wolves' clothing, talking from a shaky grandstand. Awakened, sleeping giant, royal priesthood, chosen generation, living in a dreamland. Reparation, 25 million taken from the homemade, yes, stolen homies. Amazons looking like Serena, not Diana, false philosophies. Warriors looking for peculiar people, living in a foreign land. I said, awakened, sleeping giant, royal priesthood.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?